Hello and welcome to the littleGasthaus, a German sausage maker. Today we'll make some bread spread. Actually it's Braunschweiger, but not liver sausage. It's made from pure pork meat. So let's see how it works. Here we have the meat. This is the pork neck, and that's the pork belly. You can see there's a little bit more fat than the neck. We need quite a bit of fat for this recipe. I couldn't get the back fat, so I had to take the pork belly. I still have the head in the freezer. So see if that works. Well, everything is pretty solid frozen. So I put it all in a bigger bowl to add the spices. And get a little bit more space to mix it. So I will give you the recipe, the amount of ingredients separate in the recipe. So this is the curing salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, dextrose, mace, ascorbic acid, and ingwer. Always forget what it is in English. Okay, you find it in the recipe. We call it ingwer. Sorry. Well, it's quite noisy now, so I will only tape it. There, give the machine a little rest. Well, it's a little bit warm, but so now we have to do it a second time. First I take a look at the knives, so we got a clean cut. And this is what usually creates some problems. It's tangling up. had to clean the knife and the plate because it didn't work out the way I planned it, what I thought it would work. And especially the cheap machines are probably very picky on things you do. Okay, we're done with this part. So the grinding is done. Usually the meat goes in the cutter. Actually, you only need to let it through the grinder once and then put it in the cutter. But now we did it twice, so it gets some finer. And now we need the kitchen machine to do the rest. So here we got our machine, and the meat goes in the bowl of the mixer. Okay, get everything a little bit down. That's why it looks so far. It has a little bit to go. We want to reach a temperature of about 18 degrees Celsius. Keep going. Okay. Looks good to me. Well, there's one little problem I have, and that's smokable casing. These are the casings for the big sausages, or like liver sausage. This is for liver sausage, but they're not smokable. So you need extra different ones if you want to smoke. So what I'm going to do, I put them in my pork casing. It's only 30 millimeter. Actually, it says, doesn't say any diameter, but this one should be between 30 and 32 millimeter. So that's what I'm going to use. So filling the filler. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7 sausages. Well, you spread them so there's not bratwurst or something like that. You probably could use them as brats, but you don't want to, because this is spread. They have to dry 1 day, and then we put them in the smoker and smoke them twice for 3 hours, 4 hours, and see how they turn out. They get the taste in the smokehouse, so let's wait 1 day. Alright, in here for 2 hours, so probably another 6 hours, depending how long the sawdust will burn. So okay, it's testing time, and see what the sausages look like. And they're not smoked links for the barbecue, but they're spreadable bratwurst. No, not really. This is Braunschweiger, made from pork meat, no liver, so it's not a liver sausage. I'm going to cut one to show you what it looks like inside. I hope you can see it. Otherwise I have to get closer by. Okay, that's... got a piece of bread here. Well, the good thing about this is you actually can eat the skin with it. You don't need to worry. It's bad or whatever, or artificial. This is pork casing. Smoky. Could be a little bit more salt, but you have to figure that out yourself, because it's always critical. The amount is usually between 17 and 24 gram. Here I put in something like 21 gram, so go up to 24 grams, and I'm sure you like it. Excuse me. So usually you take the big casing, but it has to be smokable. Or you take the small one, like this one, like the pork casing, and do it like I did. Just smoke it. Well, that's about it. You can add some green peppercorns, the soft ones, not the dried ones. That will change the flavor some. And you can try different herbs put in there and change the taste. Okay, guys, that was it. Spreadable sausage. Okay, see you next time in one of my videos. Take care. Bye bye.